Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox one of my personal favorite, which is this one, the Porsche 911 Carrera S. I really like this casting honestly because of the paint job. So believe it or not, guys, there is an actual car in this paint job from Porsche. I did see this in Chennai in Porsche showroom. So we were just going to EA once one day, and my wife actually called me and she just asked me to just turn and see. Then I looked over, and this was standing literally in front in that showroom. So and it was, I don't know if it was rotating because I know I just sped past through it, but I did see this car in in this similar livery, not exactly this livery, similar to this multicolor striped kind of livery that looked really beautiful. I don't know who actually bought it in Chennai, so but that was an awesome one. So even though I'm not a fan of Porsche, so I do love some models in Porsche, but that car really actually got my attention when I actually went past through it. So it is a unique paint job, to be honest. So this one I bought it in Malaysia, and the moment I saw this, I went back to that, that came into my memory. So I was like, okay, we need to buy this one, at least one piece. This was available a lot, but I don't want to buy the same thing twice, because I don't want to miss other castings because of purchasing, two of this. So I didn't buy more than one. So hopefully I will get some, one more in future. So with that said, let me just take my trusty sidekick. I don't want to rip this card out. Oh my god. That is hard to cut actually. I was hoping this was going to be easier. Okay. I just, smashed everything on that side. Okay, here it is. Here is the card art. Okay, they could have done a little bit different on the card art, but this does look really good. But because of the stickers here, that really takes away this immersiveness. And you can see it is mentioned as Porsche Thailand. Maybe this casting is specific to Thailand, I'm not sure. Okay, let me put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting actually looks really beautiful. So this reminds me of this gems candy. I don't know if other countries has that exact candy by Cadbury's, but in India it comes under the name of gems. It is still available in Indian market. So this reminds me, somewhat of that particular older gems packaging, not the newer one. That was a bit beautiful compared to the recent ones, which looks way too simple. So it has acrylic headlights that looks really beautiful. The Porsche logo is really nice. It is not messed up. And you can see the grill detailing here. That piece is actually plastic, but it really looks good. And okay, so the rims on this one, I mean, this is basic mainline set of rims, but the color on this one, the trim on this one, that actually matches with this entire color scheme they are going with. And it has headlight detailing as well, sorry, tail light detailing as well. And you can see the details in that. I mean, this is really nice. So I'm really happy that they actually went with an opening part here. I honestly didn't see that. Since it just came in a simple blister packaging, I thought it doesn't have any opening part. Right now only I'm looking at that. I'm realizing that okay, it has some openable part, and I'm really happy with it. So okay, so it has full metal body and plastic chassis. Okay, let's open this one. But I'm really curious to see how this one looks inside. Okay, here it is. So the interior looks really good. It is really nice actually. I mean, I'm really happy to have this in my collection. So in case in future if I'm able to get one more, I will surely get. So okay, now I'm thinking about replacing any of the stuff here with this one. So let's see. I really want to keep this safe because I do have only one of it now. So it has rear view mirrors as well. That is really nice. It has a suspension. That is also really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. It doesn't feel really that heavy, so I was hoping somewhere around 30 grams or 25. Yeah, 31 grams. Not bad at all. That that doesn't roll really well at all. Okay. Okay. For some reason, it is rolling. It is getting better every time. I just reset the track. Okay. So I don't want to waste too much of time on this. Okay, let's rate this casting now. Without any hesitation, I'm giving it 10 out of 10 on this. It is absolutely gorgeous casting. The word gorgeous actually suits this casting as well. I mean, looks really, it looks gorgeous and pretty, everything in one single package. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.